So, just found out I've been making ramen noodle cups the wrong way my entire life. So, for all you guys there that are wondering what the heck I'm talking about, well, give me a second, I'll explain. So, if you make ramen noodles with a water, oh, guess what? You're wrong. Oh, okay. The funny thing is that I can already read all the hate comments I'm gonna get. Or maybe I'll get a bunch of you to give me some new ideas. But in the meantime, let's see what we're working with, baby. Now, I'm only putting it in the bowl so you guys can see what we're working with here, but check this out. Oh my God. Oh man, oh my goodness. All right, so let's go ahead and have a little taste.